2007, Ubisoft introduced gamers to the world of Assassin's Creed, the secret war against the Templars that has spanned across history. The second chapter in the saga fittingly saw the series reborn in 15th century Florentine Italy and was one of the highest rated titles in the franchise. Ezio Auditoria di Firenze is ready to avenge his family at any cost and is the perfect addition to your Dungeons & Dragons campaign.
Hi everyone, I'm Daniel Martinez and welcome to another episode of Pop D&D, the show where I teach you how to take your favorite pop culture characters and turn them into D&D adventurers. Today we have two firsts. We're going to our first video game character, and this is the very first suggestion from a viewer, so thank you, user Witty Walla, for suggesting this character right here.
The Assassin's Creed franchise takes place across several major historical eras. For this episode, I was asked to create a playable version of Ezio, the hero from the Italian Renaissance version. To research this character, I decided to watch the Assassin's Creed movie starring Michael Fassbender. However, there wasn't a free version available on Netflix or Hulu, so I decided to watch a gameplay movie instead.
Ezio is the lead character from the second Assassin's Creed game, and with building an assassin, there's only one choice for class: Rogue. I also wanted to have some fun with Ezio's race, so I considered what's out there that has a following like an assassin. It has its own secret society, something along those lines. There's really no better choice from the starter set than a tiefling.
Demonic in their appearance, tieflings are often treated with concern and mistrust, much as an assassin would be. Though they descend from human bloodlines, their ancestors struck a pact with Asmodeus, ruler of the Nine Hells, which has burdened them with their evil facade.
Now, in building the tiefling, we're going to get a +1 to intelligence and a +2 to charisma. Keep in mind with that charisma because it's going to be very helpful with what we're going to be building for a rogue. Rogues tend to be dexterous, sneaky, and all sorts of all-around SOBs. So we're going to be putting our top skills into dexterity and charisma.
For the remaining attributes, we're going to go ahead and put them under intelligence, strength, wisdom, and constitution in that order.
Choosing the tiefling is also going to give us 3 special traits. Dark vision, so we can see in the dark up to 60 feet. Hellish resistance, so we have immunity against fire. And infernal legacy. This is going to open up some spells as we play along, and it's going to start us off with the thaumaturgy cantrip. Think of it like your everyday parlor magic. Rogues also have a proficiency with a number of equipment, including light armor, leather armor, short swords, martial weapons, a variety of things that are going to make them all that more dangerous. And by choosing a rogue, we're going to have access to a secret language essentially known as Thieves' Cant. You can think of Thieves' Cant as secret languages, codes. Think of that scene from Ocean's 12.
Oh, let the sun beat down upon my face, stars to fill my dreams. I am a traveler in both time and space, to be where I have been.
Now, because of the class and the position in which we put all of the attributes, we're going to have a much lower HP. In this case, Ezio is going to have a starting HP of 7. However, we're going to balance that out by giving a number of skill proficiencies to Ezio, including acrobatics, athletics, insight, persuasion, sleight of hand, and stealth. And although Ezio is known for his traditional robes, we're going to put some leather armor under that. It's going to give us an 11 AC to start with, plus our dexterity modifier. +2 in this point gives us a total of 13. Finally, we have Ezio's iconic weapons, his rapier, and the 2 blades that pop out from his wrists. We're going to use 2 daggers for this attack. The rapier will use a D8, and the daggers will use 2 D4. Finally, we're going to be adding in for attacks the most important of rogue moves, the sneak attack. With sneak attack, you can deal extra damage on any opponent that you have advantage against. So you're going to be able to deal an extra D6 whenever you have a sneak attack. Now that damage can only be dealt if you're using a finesse weapon or ranged weapon, but with both the rapier and the daggers, we've got that settled. One last thing to lock down for Ezio is his background. Now, unlike most rogue or assassin archetypes, Ezio doesn't come from the dirty streets or a criminal background. Instead, his father was a banker. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be giving him the guild artisan background. So there you've got it. Ezio is ready to go and ready to play. Let me know in the comments below if you build Ezio and if you play as him, and let me know how it turns out. Also, be sure to leave a comment down below to let me know what character you want to see in another episode of Pop D&D. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And now, roll initiative.